What be this? Now Geh Geh. This song when I want play now, go change 3 people life forever. But first, before I talk what I want to talk for this video, make a fair play the song so you understand what they talk. And they come back, fair hear the song first. First killer.
I quit. Shana because say you know hear from me. Only me know as I dey push my pee. As I dey gather up my energy. No go to check up like I no get seen. I no get person I feel call my G. Cause person when no person they kill person. Person when no person they buy person. I know it's cold outside but we still survive. So many call me my G to me face. But me back them a criticize me. Everybody is a motherfucking emoji. I know fi calculate. I know fi calculate. Only one blessing for me life, just they appreciate. I'm not from zero, I dey elevate. So I shout
Ale. Okay. You must be drunk if you think I quit. I don't get why they call my G because na person wey no person they keep person. Na bad lyrics be that, you know understand. So this song na EmmaWizy release am. EmmaWizy na popular Nigerian musician wey based in South Africa, and this guy credit me 2 million naira make I share to Nigerians. You know understand. But first, go download this song, go stream am, then create a 1-minute video vibing to the song with any challenge wey you like. Then tag me and EmmaWizy. I go repost am. The first set of people wey go first do am, I go credit una 50,000 naira. Then the person will go win the challenge when EmmaWizy decides, okay, out of everybody will create a video. Now this video be the best video. The 2 people will go winner. I will create the 500,000 naira. So 1 million Dave to share first because say you use the song to do video. Then the last 1 million I go divide among 2 people. The best 2 video go win 500k each. You know that. So thank you so much, EmmaWizy. Make sure you tag me, tag EmmaWizy, and I go repost on for my stories. We'll see the best person and I will credit all of them accordingly. You know understand. God bless you. Opueh.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.